Hi, and welcome to this episode of the Aspen Home Experience, where I show you the best that Aspen has to offer. Today, we're ideally located between Aspen and Basalt in a little oasis called Old Snowmass. This home sits on 17 acres right above Snowmass Creek, offering sounds of the river and views of Basalt Mountain. Come join me. The home offers 5 bedrooms, 3 separate living areas, a chef's kitchen, a workout facility room, and a beautiful 1,200 square foot patio. Thank you for joining me on this episode of the Aspen Home Experience. I hope you enjoyed this oasis of Old Snowmass. As always, feel free to leave me a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.